Hello guys, today we are going to play Battleship. A battleship, we are going to destroy battleship. So now I am going to play this battleship and we will win this battleship or no. Bad team. Not I only, my team will also. But that the bad team is very strong. Safe. Where I should throw this bullet. I need to be with my team. Where he's going. I need to be with him only at So here we'll go, and now we will go from there and defeat the bad team. Okay, now we are almost reaching there and we'll help them. Now we are and we will destroy them. We are near, and we should go there really quick. Otherwise they will destroy. Oh my god, that plane. Oh, we are going to crash through this. Oh, that was just crashing. So now we will go there and copy. The blue one is our team is the bad team. Oh my god, that is, they released the bomb. Now we should go quickly here and we should save with them and we should fight with the bad team. We'll go there and defeat the long. Quickly, play. Yay, we defeat the ship and we'll go there and defeat the fight. Someone released the bomb, but we should be very careful. There, we should launch this ship. update this quickly. Oh, yes, one shot came. It's a come. It's message again. Here I'll do. Yeah, it's coming. Almost it was coming. And again I should do like this. Yes. And I should do like this. Do this. Afterwards I should throw like this. Yes, it is going away. We cannot defeat him. But I think we can defeat that. Defeat. Not be. Oh my god. Someone attacking them. I need to release this bomb. Oh, that's missing. Again. Quickly update. Quickly. Yes. Two bombs came in and one missed. No, two bombs missed. And again. Oh my god. Quickly. Now we should. Okay. Oh my god. That's here only. Now we should. Okay. No. Yes. Okay. Quickly. Yes. Again, I should attack before. Yes. But we are going to crash. Okay, we will crash. So now we will do like this. And yes. Oh, he breaking my friend's ship. I will not leave him. Okay, now we will shoot quickly. Yes. And now again we should land. Oh, it's gone. Again we should go like this. Quickly. Now we should go like this. Now this battle will not over, I think. But I'm telling you, this battle will over or not. Oh my god. And 2 is there for the 3. I should defeat him, whatever happens. It should be equal, otherwise it will be cheating. Someone is attacking nearby. Quickly. Oh, someone is helping us. Okay. Quickly update, quickly upgrade. Quickly now this again. Again we should go and attack him. Oh my god, this is very powerful. Now we should quickly destroy. This is superior. Now we should defeat like this. We should turn. Oh my goodness. We need to defeat. Oh my goodness. Quickly. Quickly we should defeat. Otherwise these would blast us. Quickly we should defeat. Otherwise we will lose. Oh my god. Quickly. Quickly we should defeat. Quickly. Slow. We don't have this side. Otherwise we can defeat it quickly. But we have only this pillar. Oh my god, he's gone. Oh my god, this we have very family hell. I'll defeat now him. Have the free. He's attacking my friend, I'll not leave him. Oh my goodness. I should attack him right now. Bomb launch. Oh, it's missed. Wait. He's coming here. I should go. Yeah. So I think this is please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon, and please comment, share. Thank you for watching.